taste chatpate made by the girls of class 7. So let me taste. I'll taste and give you the review. It's really nice. And the name of this team is Cooking Chef. Their group name is Cooking Chef. So this chatpati is very nice, spicy, tangy, very nice. Tomato is also there. And what is this?
Banana shake.
Banana shake. And what is this?
Oreo dessert.
First I will taste this banana shake. Really nice. This banana shake is very thick, sweet, very nice. And now this dessert. Full of what? Chocolate and Oreo.
Yes.
Kishmish is also there.
Yes. Dry fruits.
Yes, kishmish and all other dry fruits are also there. Very nice. This is so tasty. Let me show you the faces of the girls. Means the cooking team who made this. They are the ones. Say hi. They are the girls of GD Higher Secondary School who made this tasty, delicious. So today was our cooking without fire competition and they just nailed it. Very nice.